Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. I'm here checking up on a project in Garden Grove designed by me via the Plant Nerd for the Municipal Water District of Orange County Turf Rebate program, installed by Greenside Landscaping, and I'm going to show you what the project looks like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this! Okay, so this is just a simple front yard. In this area, we did not do anything as she wanted to keep the existing plants. They're not dead. There's nothing wrong with them. This is the main area that we transformed. Now, one thing you will notice is there is a bit of weeding to do, but that's par for the course in any garden. You're going to have some weeds. The plant palette here is some autumn sage, siskiyou blue fescue, lavender, Cleveland sage, coyote mint, a mixture of California natives and California friendly plant material with a dry creek bed running through. I think this garden, it's been in now for a minute. I don't remember exactly when it was installed, but I think it looks really good. We left this area kind of bare in the event that cars need extra room. Some of the plants just need a minor haircut, but other than that, most of the garden doesn't really need to be maintained much.